Hey everyone, hello, hello, hello. It's me, Connie, and guess what? It's finished. This little journal that I'm going to give away is finished. So what I want to do is do a run through of the journal and then let you know you have all week to make comments on this video. On this video right here, you can leave as many comments as you want, whatever you want, all the good things, I hope. And the comment picker will you have till January 5th 2024 to make comments on this video, and then I will do a drawing from the comment picker to see who's going to win this this journal. You have till like I said, January 5th to make comments on here. You have to be a subscriber, all the things. You have to live in the US. I apologize, I cannot send anything overseas, but you have to be in the US, and I will check all those things, yada yada. Please let me know all that in the comments down below, where you're from. That would be awesome if you would just say, hey, I love the journal and I'm from so-and-so in the United States, blah blah blah. Does that help? Does that help? Hopefully I've cleared all that up. So you have till January 5th 2024 to make comments on this video, and then I will use the comment picker to pick a winner, and you must be subscribed. How's that? Easy enough, I hope. And then if we'll go from there. All right, y'all ready to see it? So here we go. Here is the front of the journal. Here is the back. This is Sepia, let's see, Sepia and Ivory journal kit by My Porch Prints. Okay, all right, so here we go. Here we go. I'm so excited. All right, I put little charms. This one says made with love. And then here is a butterfly. And then a little angel. All right, here we go. Here we go. Here, let me make sure I'm in shot. Yes, we are. All right, here we go. Ba-bam. I put, these are all my scripture cards that I put in this journal. You can find that in my Etsy store if anytime you want to get some scripture cards, they're in there. And this is just so cute. I give you plenty of places to write all the things. Lots of fun. And then a paper in here to write on. And then you can write on the back of the scripture card. This is so pretty. Okay. Plenty of places to journal. I did some stamping here and there. Super pretty. Super pretty. Love it. Here's another pocket with extra papers to write on and a scripture card. You can write on the back of it. When you take these out, you know you can journal all up here. There it is. There's a song sheet. Here's a little cluster I thought was so cute. You can title it and then write over here. I just had to throw that in. I just had to throw that in. So pretty. This, you can write on top of this because it's faint enough. There's that. Here's some more goodies to write on. This is a freebie in my Ko-fi account, which is linked down below, is the Proverbs 31 woman. So pretty. That is linked down below for you to have for free. There's that. And it looks like this, y'all. It comes like this, so you can cut out, you know, it comes 6 to a page. All right. I just happen to have that laying right there. All right, that's pretty. There's plenty of places to journal and things where you can add stuff to. Here is a little belly band and another one of my scripture cards. Super pretty. This is also my porch prints. So pretty. This is an old hymnal. Here's another place to journal. More scripture cards of mine. So pretty. Love it, love it. A little more, and you can do so much with these empty pages and stuff like that with this. Here's the center with the butterfly. I am in love with this. I think it's so beautiful together. Here is a tuck. This is a glassine bag. One of my scripture cards. And then here we go, another tuck. And then another card to write on the back. So pretty. Oh my gosh, you've got to be kidding me. There's that. So beautiful. Isn't that pretty? You see the stamp here and then here and here. It just kind of gives it a real pretty look. I like that. And then there's that. And here's another place to put more stuff. And another one of my scripture cards. Super pretty. Did some more stamping. So gorgeous. And then another scripture card of mine and paper to write on and tuck away. It's so, so pretty. More extra blank places for you to journal. Here's another one of my cards. There's that. Love it. Another one of my scripture cards and a fun little paper to write on. And more scripture cards and paper. I just love this, y'all. I just love it. I hope you do too. There it is. There it is. There it is. It's all done. It's all done just for you. It's my way of saying thank you. I wished I could just give one to everybody, but you know, that's next to impossible. I cannot do that. But please be sure and leave a comment down below. And you can leave as many as you want throughout the week, however you want to do it. And like I said, you have till January 5th, 2024. And I will probably that Saturday after Friday, the 20th, probably January the 6th, I will do the video with the comment picker and then upload that on Monday the 8th. Okay, I think that's right. 6, 7, yeah. The 7th is, I think, on a Sunday, and that is my birthday. January 7th is my birthday. Let's see what day of the week. On Sunday is my birthday, January 7th. I will do the video of the comment picker on January the 6th, and I will have it uploaded on January the 8th of 2024. So there we go. Yay, I'm so excited. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope y'all enjoyed the ride with me on making it. It is really, really pretty. This is so, so beautiful, y'all. And all the add-ons is absolutely gorgeous as well. I mean, it's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. All right. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Be sure and give me a thumbs up. Leave all the comments you want down below. I will try to answer each one. If I can't, I will put a little heart next to them. Be sure you're a subscriber. Y'all go check out the Facebook page and join me over there. If you want the freebie stuff that I'm going to be adding on my Ko-fi account, go check that out. That's all listed down below. Also, all my Amazon links are down below. Thank you so much for clicking on those things. That really is so helpful. Anyway, God bless, and we'll talk real soon. And get to commenting. Bye, everyone.